Coordinates confirmed. The armored transport is located within this red polygon. We are proceeding with the recovery plan.
We need to secure the transport vehicle at this access point.
My team will manage the ascent protocols, and security will monitor the cargo bay throughout the retrieval.
Lowering now, steady on the starboard side. Copy that, watching the clearance, looks good.
Encryption protocols established. Satellite and acoustic links are secure.
The subsea recovery phase is critical. We must secure the perimeter around the vehicle immediately.
Agreed. Surface threats during transfer are high.
係 Joseph agreement會見記者，當嘅部門你哋睇到 spinning the goal now. That's really how we use briefing any of these got it through it.
Team 1 reports ready for descent.
Tracking the target signature now, depth reading stabilizing at 3,000 meters.
Confirm control. This is the Central Bank Armored Transport, Model 724. The gold is visible inside the breach. Repeat, we have the gold.
The hydrostatic pressure adjustment looks correct here.
Yes, the gold cargo mass is accounted for. The total submerged weight requires the heavy lift crane.
Survey and location is complete. Confirmed. We are now transitioning to subsurface operations planning.
Acknowledged, lead. Setting up the grid.
This section shows significant degradation. We should move the cradle connection here.
Let me cross-reference the analysis. Yes, that avoids the critical stress fracture.
The sling risks structural failure at these points.
But the modular frame distributes the weight far more effectively. See here on the plan.
It's the only viable option for the deep sea pressure.
Yeah.
Turbidity levels are still too high near the vehicle. ROV visibility will be compromised during the rigging phase.
We need to monitor the dynamic forces right here.
No corkscrewing detected. The lift should hold steady at this vector.
Bridge, this is communications. Deep sea kayak check is complete. All systems green.
All stations, prepare for tension increase.
Copy that. Applying 10 tons. ROV, stabilize your position.
Holding steady, lift supervisor. Vehicle is secure.
As per the safety document, deep-sea heavy object handling presents unique risks. We must secure the armored vehicle meticulously.
Copy that. Lifting now. Steady as she goes.
Final check. Is everyone accounted for?
Yes, sir. All clear from the moon pool area.
Attention all crew. This is the captain.
Separation confirmed. The armored vehicle is clear of the seafloor. Start the ascent.
It's buckling. The gold is shifting inside the vault. We're losing containment on the starboard side.
Easy on the tension, coming up slow. We're clear on the starboard side.
Shackles engaged. Hold steady. Pull left now. Watch the stern. Lower it slowly. Keep the tension. Keep it coming to the starboard side. Steady the line. She's swinging wide. Pull that tight, secure the clips.
We're losing the edge to the wind.
Got it, ropes away.
Alpha, secure on the forward ports.
Bravo, starboard side clear.
Charlie, aft looking good, all sectors green.
Executos, as the screen shows, recovery is successful. The surface is secured.
All right, steady on the thrusters. Secure the forward cleats. We're green for transfer.
All units, the barge is approaching the pier. Initiate restricted access zone deployment now.
Ensure the perimeter is sterile.
All units, form the line. Eyes sharp. Watch the access points.
Here are the manifests, secured as ordered.
Received. The asset is now under ground command jurisdiction.
Scan complete. Identity verified. Access granted.
All teams, perimeter secure. We are crossing the threshold now. Close the doors behind us.
Confirmed entry for 0710 hours. Proceed to the main facility and ensure all gear is secure.
The fusion zone at Sector 4 lacks adequate penetration. Recommend a shape charge insertion right here.
We are getting sufficient penetration. Reviewing the data now.
Yes, the internal mechanism is intact. Manipulation is possible.
The tumblers are completely seized by the corrosion here, and this bolt was fractured by the impact. We will proceed with the thermal lance strategy.
We need the safest and most efficient method, bypass or thermal cut.
The shape charge is faster, but riskier.
Agreed. We proceed with the mechanical bypass. Let's move.
High heat and molten metal are your biggest threats. Stick to the cooling schedule and monitor dust levels every 90 seconds.
Look at the resonance cascade on the lower stack. The green zone indicates minimal resistance.
That gives us a 12-minute window.
All lines secured and pressure checked. We are within parameters.
Confirmed. The vault is prepped for the thermal launch.
Is that the last of the solvent?
Yes, securing the cabinet now. We are clear for cutting.
Lower the plating to Bay 4. Secure the outer clamps immediately.
So uncontrolled breach response is confirmed. We follow the level 2 protocol immediately, no hesitation.
Confirmed, team leader. We're ready.
Authorization confirmed. Vault breach operation commencing.
Increase pressure on the main jack. I want those chains taut. Move the vehicle another 3 feet west.
Readings confirmed. Oxygen nominal, LEL, and toxins clear. The vault is safe for entry.
Beginning forensic documentation of Vault Stack 4. Note the heavy concentration of deep sea silt and evidence of corrosion products on the upper layers.
Total weight matches the manifest data.
Audit complete.
Easy, E. Hold it there, right there. Secure the ramp.
All 20 units accounted for on the manifest.
Confirmed. Scans are clear. Verified for intake.
That's the last tag on the chassis.
Confirmed. The data package is complete.
This clause confirms the source, adhering to Section 3B of the AML guidelines.
And the trade embargo on the initial transfer?
The integration of the recovered gold reserves is now complete and formalized in the audited assets.
The telemetry data confirms the structural failure occurred at 400 meters, not 500.
Was the ascent rate affected by the current?
We are pleased to announce the successful recovery of the gold cargo. The operation concluded without incident and all...
Crate 7B is secure. All units accounted for.
Acknowledged. We're green for deployment.